Pour-over coffee makers are perfect for those who crave precision and control over their brew. With a simple yet effective design, these brewers deliver rich, flavorful coffee by allowing users to adjust water flow and extraction time. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best pour-over coffee makers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Espro Bloom Pour-Over Coffee Maker is engineered to unlock the full potential of your coffee beans, offering precision and exceptional flavor in every cup. With its patented 1502-hole microfilter and a specialized brew bed, this brewer ensures evenly extracted coffee for 1 to 2 cups in just minutes. Designed with a steep slope, it delivers a rich, aromatic brew 30% faster than traditional pour-over methods without compromising quality. The dual filter mode provides versatility. Use the included Espro paper filters for a clean, light brew, or go without them for a fuller-bodied experience. The set includes 50 chlorine-free compostable filters, making cleanup a breeze. The durable borosilicate glass carafe and stainless steel measuring scoop are marked with Espro's dot and line system, ensuring consistency and ease with each brew. Compact and elegant, the Espro Bloom not only saves time, but also delivers superior results. Whether you prefer a clean or robust cup, this pour-over system adapts to your coffee style, making it easy to enjoy barista-quality coffee at home. The Hario V60 Pour-Over Coffee Starter Set offers an excellent introduction to pour-over brewing, delivering precision and control in a sleek design. With a 600 milliliter capacity and weighing just 3.52 ounces, this kit is lightweight yet efficient. It includes the V6002 Coffee Dripper, V6002 Coffee Server, and a 40-pack of disposable paper filters. The large single hole in the V60 dripper allows for flexible pour control, whether you prefer a quick pour for a lighter brew or a slower one for a deeper, richer flavor. This feature makes it ideal for highlighting the complex floral or fruity notes in premium coffees. Crafted from heat-proof glass and BPA-free plastic, the set combines functionality with durability. The minimalist, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The glass server is heat-resistant, making it easy to brew and serve with style. Perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike, the set simplifies the process of crafting a professional-quality pour-over coffee at home. With its Japanese craftsmanship, this set ensures both form and function are equally prioritized. The Bodum 34-ounce pour-over coffee maker brings simplicity and elegance to your coffee routine. With a 34-ounce capacity, it can brew up to 8 4-ounce cups, making it perfect for sharing or savoring multiple servings. Its sleek design features a borosilicate glass carafe, known for its heat resistance and durability, ensuring your coffee stays hot while maintaining a refined look. The cork band adds a touch of style and is functional for handling without heat. Unlike traditional coffee makers, this model uses a stainless steel mesh filter, eliminating the need for paper filters. This permanent filter allows your coffee's aromatic oils and flavors to shine through, offering a rich, full-body brew. The brewing process is simple. Just add coarsely ground coffee, pour hot water in a circular motion, and let it drip through for a delicious cup. Weighing only 1.2 pounds, this coffee maker is lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for both home and office use. Cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. The Unbreakable 418. Pour-over coffee maker delivers a smooth and refined coffee experience, making 8 cups, 34 fluid ounces of rich aromatic coffee in one go. Its manual brewing method gives you complete control, allowing you to adjust the flow and extraction to achieve the perfect flavor every time. The durable borosilicate glass is heat-resistant, making it versatile for both stovetop brewing and refrigerator storage. With a sturdy 1,000-watt power capacity, you can rely on quick and efficient performance. The stainless steel filter ensures that your coffee grounds are thoroughly saturated, extracting all the essential oils and flavors for a full-bodied cup of coffee. This filter is reusable, cutting down on paper waste, while the easy-to-grip handle and anti-drip spout make each pour precise and mess-free. Built for daily use, the Unbreakable 418 is designed for comfort and convenience. Its premium, lead-free construction ensures a healthier, eco-friendly coffee routine, while the easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance simple. The Coffee Gator Pour-Over Coffee Maker delivers a premium brewing experience, combining style with function. This 800-milliliter glass coffee maker allows you to brew a flavorful, barista-quality cup of coffee right at home. Its sleek design features BPA-free, heat-resistant glass, making it durable yet lightweight at just 1.3 pounds. A cool touch collar enhances its convenience, ensuring safe handling as you brew your perfect cup. What sets this pour-over coffee maker apart is its stainless steel mesh filter, which is reusable and eco-friendly. By eliminating the need for disposable paper filters, you not only get a cleaner taste, but you're also helping the environment. The laser-cut precision of the filter ensures that all the rich flavors of your coffee beans come through, offering a bold, full-bodied brew every time. Whether you're an experienced coffee enthusiast or a casual drinker, the Coffee Gator Pour-Over Coffee Maker makes it easy to channel your inner barista. Simply pour hot water over the coffee grounds and let the process enhance the intricate flavors of your beans. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.